Hello, hello, hello. This is Georgia Coatings by the Bay, your local new car ceramic coating expert. And today I'm in New London and just wrapped up this brand new 26 Toyota Camry. Did a full interior, full exterior coating on it. So almost everything is protected. On the outside, we will have the glass, plastics, badges, rims, trim, paint, everything except the rubber is going to be coated out there. This was an 8-year coating applied to the paint. And on the interior here in a few seconds, you're going to see that we applied coatings to the dashboard, the doors, literally everything on the interior, basically from head down is coated except electronics and seat belts. So that's going to be leathers, textile, plastics, cloth. It just gives you a nice deep sheen, seals in the natural oils, and keeps a beautiful color for years to come. As always, it's not slick or greasy, just a great look that's aesthetically appealing. If you're in the market for a new Toyota, a new Camry, or a new car in general and looking for a ceramic coating to protect that paint, I'd love to talk. 920-659-0023, or you can visit coatingsbythebay.com. All you need is a garage with basic water and power for us to come to you, or you can come to our shop in Appleton. Have a good one.